Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Zoho Project for team collaboration. First off, you'll need to create a new project. Go to your Zoho Project dashboard, click the plus sign, and fill in the project details. This is crucial because you need a well-defined project to start coordinating tasks and timelines. Next up, it's time to invite your team members. Click on the user's icon, add their emails, and assign roles. This ensures everyone has the right access and permissions, which is key to smooth collaboration. Now that we've done that, let's set up task lists and milestones. Go to the Tasks and Milestones tab, then Add Task List. Here's where you break down your project into manageable parts. This helps us because it enables the team to focus on immediate goals, fostering productivity. All right, let's move on to the Documents section. It's here you can upload files related to your project. This is crucial because sharing resources in one place facilitates seamless collaboration. Next, let's chat about the Forums feature. This is where your team can discuss ideas, solve problems, and share updates. Create a new forum by clicking Add New, then fill in the details. The reason we do this is to foster open communication, which is the backbone of successful teamwork. Lastly, keep track of your project's progress with the dashboard. It gives you an overview of tasks, milestones, and time logs. Let me explain why this matters. Having a visual representation of your project's status helps in identifying bottlenecks and keeps everyone aligned on the project's progress. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Zoho Project for team collaboration. Remember, the key to successful collaboration is clear communication and organization, and Zoho Project provides you with the tools to do just that. Until next time, keep collaborating and innovating.